everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to use two different apps at the same time on your Samsung phone. So I'm going to go to the switcher icon right here. I have 3-button navigation turned on, otherwise I think you have to like swipe up or something to get here. And then just hold down on the application right on the top where you can see the app icon. And you can drag and drop it somewhere on your screen. So you can drop it right here. And then you can select another app to use. So like Google right here, we can open up Google. Then we can have two different applications open up at the same time. Now you can drag it to make it bigger or smaller. So if you have like maybe YouTube open up, you can have YouTube on the top or something like that. And then you can just hit the back button to close everything. And then another thing that you can do, let's hold down on the app icon, is you can drag it right in the center. And then you can use your phone like normal. And you can make this a little bit bigger or smaller too. So maybe have YouTube opened up right there. So let's go back to the switcher. And then you can do that with YouTube. So just look at that as an option. It's very easy to use. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.